Namaste Ishan.
Namaste Kuldeep Mamu.
Bhagavad Gita, chapter 1, shlokas 25, 26 and
27.
also one line from 28 to get that connection. That's what we are going to do today. Okay?
Okay, Mamu.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
भीष्मद्रोण प्रमुखतः
Bhishma Drona Pramukhatah
सर्वेषां च महीक्षिताम्
Sarveshan Cha Mahikshitam
उवाच पार्थ पश्यैतान्
Uvacha Partha Pashyaitan
समवेतान् कुरूनिति.
Samavetan Kuruniti.
Once again. भीष्मद्रोण प्रमुखतः
Bhishma Drona Pramukhatah
सर्वेषां च महीक्षिताम्.
Sarveshan Cha Mahikshitam
सर्वेषां प्लस च becomes सर्वेषां च. उवाच पार्थ पश्यैतान्
Uvacha Partha Pashyaitan
समवेतान् कुरूनिति.
Samavetan Kuruniti.
Now 26. तत्र पश्यत्
Tatra Pashyat
स्थितान् पार्थः
Sthitan Parthaha
पितॄनथ पितामहान्
Pitrunatha Pitamahan
आचार्यान् मातुलान् भ्रातॄन्
Acharyan Matulan Bhratrun
पुत्रान् पौत्रान् सखींस्तथा
Putran Pautran Sakhimstatha
सखींस्तथा
Sakhimstatha
तत्र पश्यत् स्थितान् पार्थः
Tatra Pashyat Sthitan Parthaha
पितॄनथ पितामहान्
Pitrunatha Pitamahan
आचार्यान् मातुलान् भ्रातॄन्
Acharyan Matulan Bhratrun
पुत्रान् पौत्रान् सखींस्तथा
Putran Pautran Sakhimstatha
सखींस्तथा.
Sakhimstatha.
अत्युत्तमम्. This was a kind of difficult, but you did very well. अत्युत्तमम्, अति उत्तमम्. Now let us move on to shloka number 27.
Yes, Mama.
श्वशुरान् सुहृदश्चैव
Shvasuran Suhridaschaiva
शा सा शा, all those things. श्वशुरान्
Shvasuran
सुहृदश्चैव
Suhridaschaiva
सेनयोरुभयोरपि
Senayurubhayorapi
तान् समीक्ष्य स कौन्तेयः
Tan Samikshya Sakaunteyah
आहा तान् समीक्ष्य स कौन्तेयः
Tan Samikshya Sakaunteyah
सर्वान् बन्धूनवस्थितान्
Sarvan Bandhunavasthitan
श्वशुरान् सुहृदश्चैव
Shvasuran Suhridaschaiva
श्वशुरान् सुहृदश्चैव
Shvasuran Suhridaschaiva
सेनयोरुभयोरपि
Senayurubhayorapi
Sit like a Gudakesha. You are feeling a little bit sleepy, I guess. Sit like a Gudakesha. Senayorubhayorapi
Senayurubhayorapi
तान् समीक्ष्य स कौन्तेयः
तान् समीक्ष्य स कौन्तेयः
सर्वान् बन्धूनवस्थितान्
सर्वान् बन्धूनवस्थितान्.
Good. Now we are also taking one more shloka, 28 shlokas, one line. Okay. Just to get the connection of meaning. Kripaya paraya vishtah
कृपया परया विष्टः
Vishidannidamabravit
विषीदन्निदमब्रवीत्.
Kripaya paraya vishtah
कृपया परया विष्टः
Vishidannidamabravit
विषीदन्निदमब्रवीत्.
Uttamam. Now shall we chant together?
Yes, Mamu.
भीष्मद्रोणप्रमुखतः सर्वेषां च महीक्षिताम् उवाच पार्थ पश्यैतान् समवेतान् कुरूनिति तत्र पश्यत् स्थितान् पार्थः पितॄनथ पितामहान् आचार्यान् मातुलान् भ्रातॄन् पुत्रान् पौत्रान् सखींस्तथा श्वशुरान् सुहृदश्चैव सेनयोरुभयोरपि तान् समीक्ष्य स कौन्तेयः सर्वान् बन्धूनवस्थितान् कृपया परयाविष्टः विषीदन्निदमब्रवीत्. In Shloka 21, Arjuna said, Senayor ubhayor madhye ratham sthapaya mechyuta. O Achyuta, take my chariot to the midst of both armies. Then he said, Dharta rashtrasya durbuddhehe yuddhe priyachikirshavaha yotsyamana naveksheham. I want to see all of them assembled together, and I want to see who all are supporting this Duryodhana. What kind of Duryodhana?
Durbuddhi.
Durbuddhi. His wicked, his evil-minded Duryodhana, Arjuna says. Then what happens? Krishna, Senayor Ubhayor Madhye
Sthapayitva rathottamam.
Sthapayitva rathottamam. Krishna took the chariot to the midst of both armies, and now Krishna is saying, Uvacha, Partha, Pashyaitan Samavetan Kurun. Now see all the Kauravas assembled together. Now Arjuna is going to watch all of them, okay? Observe all of them. He starts with Tatra Pashyat Sthitan Partha. He's seeing Pitrun. Tell me, Pitrun. Who are Pitruns?
Father.
Fatherly people. Pitamahan.
Grandfathers.
You have to say it in plural, okay? Everything is in Bahuvachana. Pitamahan, who brought him up. Then Acharyan.
Gurus.
All the gurus. Dronacharya, Kripacharya, all of them. Then you tell me, Acharyan?
Matulan.
Yeah, Matulan. Matulan means?
Uncles.
Uncle. Matra Sahodaraha. Tell me.
Matra Sahodaraha.
Clearly.
Matra
Sahodaraha. Your Amma's brother is?
Mammu.
Matula. Okay. Acharyan, Matulan, Bhratrun.
Brothers.
He's seeing all his brothers. Then Putran, Pautran, Sakhin. Putran.
Sons.
Yeah, sons. All the sons of different people. Then Putran, Pautran.
Grandsons.
Yeah, Sakhin. Friends. Yeah, Shvashuran.
Fathers-in-law.
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 Yeah, Shvashuran. Suhridaschaiva, Suhridah.
Well wishes.
Yeah, good. So you know all of them. Now Arjuna is seeing all his family, relatives, everyone. You know, actually he came to do the fighting. Now coming the biggest turning point of entire Mahabharata. You know what is happening? After seeing all of them, now a sudden change happening in Arjuna. Kripaya paraya vishtah vishidannidam abravit. Now a special emotion is coming inside Arjuna. He's a very good person, no? So what is happening is Kripa. Kripa is coming in him. Kripa means compassion, daya, empathy, you know? That is happening in Arjuna. And Sanjaya is now naming Arjuna as Kaunteya. You know why? Kaunteya is Kunti Putraha, no?
Yes, Mama.
Kunti was full of compassion in her life. So, now Kaunteya, Arjuna is also getting that compassion. Whether this daya is good or not, Krishna will answer in chapter 2. That's a different thing. Now he is getting that compassion. And what happens is, Vishidan. He is getting that Vishada, depression. He is becoming disheartened. You know, this is the biggest turning point, okay?
Okay, Mama.
That's why this entire chapter is known as Arjuna Vishada Yoga. Arjuna is getting that Vishada. He's full of sadness. You know, Duryodhana is happy to kill anyone for his thing. But Arjuna is now feeling, why should we fight? We all are friends, relatives, all these things. So, actually that Vishada is coming in him. Now, understand this Vishada, whether you call it a depression or sadness or whatever, every one of us in our life is once or twice or thrice or so many times we will go through this depression in our life, sadness. You know, the difference is, if somebody is claiming that we are happy, we have not seen depression or we have not seen that sadness and all that, Mahatmas say, you are just in queue, that's all. Today or tomorrow you will get that taste of that what Vishada is. But you know, the difference between, if you are a Gudakesha, if you are Arjuna, he makes the difference. Arjuna is with Krishna. So what happens? Even the Vishada becomes a yoga. Even Vishada becomes a yoga. How beautiful it is. For normal people, what happens is, when they get a Vishada, they will, just like these temporary tablets, they will get some solutions and they'll be happy with it. But now, this Vishada is taking Arjuna to do Samarpan, Purna Samarpan to Krishna. Then, he will give us a permanent solution for this Vishada. So, Vishada becomes yoga. Vishada becomes yoga. You know, you will understand this in your life when you are grown up. You will understand this. At that moment, when you get that Vishada, you know that Krishna inside is going to help you. How beautiful it is, no?
Yes, Mama.
Okay. So, let us conclude now. Have the prayers. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
Uttama.